Hey everybody, this is Anabel, your friendly neighborhood realtor, coming at you with my favorite co-host, Miss Poochie. And let me give her a treat so she behaves. Come on. Thank you, my dear. So I'm here today because I have a different type of show for you. That's what I get. She's all over the place. I have a different type of show for you today. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the fact that realtors, we wear multiple hats in different situations, right? So I've shown you houses, I've done home tours, I've talked about the market, but there's a more hands on, get your hands in the mud, down and dirty type of situations. I'm talking about rehabs and fixing up. Sometimes houses don't come to you ready to sell, ready to show. So I had a little bit of rehab work to do on one of the properties that I had lately. I'd like to show it to you. So without further ado, let's go watch this video so you can see the dirtier side of real estate.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
the view from the inside, solid white wall, and here's a view from the outside, adding a way more curb appeal. All right, thanks guys.